Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Outlook's view smaller so more emails fit on your screen in just a few simple steps. First, click the View tab at the top of your screen to open the ribbon with all your display options. Next, click the Density button in the ribbon, which opens a drop-down menu with 3 spacing options: Compact, Cozy, and Comfortable. For this example, I'm selecting Cozy, which tightens up the spacing between emails so more messages fit in your inbox view without scrolling. If you want even more emails visible at once, go back to the Density menu and choose Compact instead. It's the tightest spacing available and works well on larger monitors. You can switch between density settings anytime without affecting your emails or folders, so try each one to see which feels right for how you work. If you ever want more breathing room again, just head back to View, click Density, and select Comfortable to return to the default spacing. And that's how to make Outlook's view smaller so you can see more of your inbox at once. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.